Namaskar. Just a quick update on the biggest shake-up in the immigration system that was presented by the UK Home Secretary Shabana Mahmood. It's a ministerial statement today. So यसमा चाहिँ settlement periods length of qualifying period to settle in the UK को different timeline को बारेमा आज एउटा proposal ल्याइएको छ र यसमा चाहिँ 3 year मा सेटल हुने रुटहरु 5 year मा सेटल हुने रुटहरु 10 year 15 year र इभन 20 30 years को सेटलमेन्ट रुटहरुको कुरा गरिएको छ सो जस्ट हामीले चाहिँ अहिले सम्म आईएलआर लाई 5 year बाट 10 year मा पुर्याउने कुरामा चाहिँ सबैजना अलरेडी पीपल वर शॉक्ड people were already worrying about their ILR status. त्यही बीचमा चाहिँ today she has dropped another a kind of a bombshell where we are talking about the 15-year time length for settlement or 20-year or even 30-year. So यसलाई सारांशमा भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ 3-year as a propose गरे अनुसार 3-year route to settlement मा क्वालिफाई हुनको लागि हजुर चाहिँ इनोभेटर फाउन्डर भिजामा हुनुहुन्छ अथवा ग्लोबल ट्यालेन्ट भिजा होल्डर हुनुहुन्छ भन्ने चाहिँ हजुरको सेटल हुने पिरियड चाहिँ 3 year भनिएको छ त्यसैगरी 5 year रुट टु सेटलमेन्ट यदि हजुर चाहिँ स्पाउस अफ अ ब्रिटिश सिटिजन हुनुहुन्छ अथवा भिक्टिम अफ डोमेस्टिक भाइलेन्स अथवा ह्युमैनिटेरियन भिजामा हुनुहुन्छ अथवा हजुर चाहिँ फ्रन्ट लाइन पब्लिक सर्भिस वर्कर हुनुहुन्छ यसमा चाहिँ स्किल वर्कर क्याटेगोरी जोडिएको छ जस्तै डक्टर्स नर्सेस टीचर्स हुनुहुन्छ भने you will also be eligible to settle in 5 years which is a kind of a big relief for the doctors and nurses who are also concerned about proposed changes for the ILR pathway for the skilled workers. Now let's go to the 10-year route to settlement. यदि हजुर चाहिँ स्टडी भिजामा हुनुहुन्छ या वर्क भिजामा हुनुहुन्छ भने you will be eligible for 10-year route to settlement. However, there are preconditions. You need to work, you need to pay taxes. र यदि हजुर चाहिँ though these visa holders are not eligible for any public funds. However, यदि कसैले पनि public fund लिन्छ भने you will be subject to lengthy settlement period. So that is a different story. Now let's go back to the 15-year route to settlement. So health and care worker visa holders अथवा अरु कुनै low paid skill worker visa holder हुनुहुन्छ भने they are now subject to 15-year route to settlement as proposed today in the ministerial statement. यो बाहेक यदि कोही पनि इलिगल रुटबाट चाहिँ यो कन्ट्रीमा आउनु भएको छ अथवा ओभरस्टेयर हुनु भएको छ भने it will take them 20 years or 30 years to settle. यदि कसैले पनि बेनिफिट लिनु भएको छ for more than 1 year or less than 1 year लिनु भएको छ भने it will take you around 15 years to settle in UK, and if you have taken benefit for more than 1 year then it will take you around 20 years to settle in UK. However, she has also mentioned that there is a way where you can discount the number of years for settlement. So यो गर्नको लागि चाहिँ it is based on your integration. Integration involves two things. One is speaking the highest level of English at the degree level र अर्को चाहिँ volunteering. So this could help you reduce the time of your settlement period. Just to make things clear again, this is just a statement and this is not a law yet, and this will also be part of the ongoing consultation later this year. So we are yet to hear the final outcome on these proposed changes. However, the indication gives us an idea of how the future of ILR will become. So finally, घुमिफिरी कुरा आउँछ, who will be affected? Anyone who has entered in the UK since 2021, including those on the skilled worker visas, they will be affected. Subject to the transitional arrangements Thank you.